Hi friend, welcome to day 4 of the 5-day email course, Your Confident Lettering Style. I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights, and my goal is to help you live your most confident life through hand lettering. Day 4 is exciting because you're going to take the letters you created yesterday and create an alphabet that you love, keeping them all cohesive. Quick reminder before we get started to have your practice sheet downloaded. If you have not signed up for the email portion of this course yet, it's in the description box. So click the link to sign up and you will get the free practice sheet every day for the 5 days with extra tips in the links to these videos. All right, so make sure you have the practice sheet from yesterday as well as the one from today with your favorite brush pen. And let's jump in. Looking at your practice sheet from yesterday, choose just one. This is the one I'm going to choose. You could do this process with as many letters as you want, but today we are just doing one. To preface this, I did sketch out these letters before going right in on my worksheet. Just so you know, it does take some time. It's okay if you can't figure it out the first time. So my letter used the higher midline, so I want all of my letters to match that midline. So I'm going to draw that on each of my guidelines. And then with each letter, I am following the midline and also trying to match the angle or the same general style. I also want all of my ascending and descending strokes to match. So you can see in the B, it starts up higher and it's pretty skinny. So in the D, you're gonna see it matches pretty well. And that's what I want for all of the ascending strokes, and then the descending strokes will be somewhat similar as well. And it's okay if you mess up, just cross it out. It's not a big deal. It's not gonna be perfect the first time. One tip that helps is choosing a word that describes it. So for this one, I would describe this alphabet as elegant. So each of the letters need to fit with that word. And it's tall, it's kind of skinny. The angles are not rounded, they are a little more sharply curved. Another really obvious thing about this alphabet is the entrance and exit stroke. So each letter has it, starting with a curve and ending with a curve. And of course, this is going to change when you connect the letters in a word. Don't worry about that for now because we're actually going to talk about that tomorrow. So you can look forward to that. But for now, just focus on each letter individually. Focusing on the little details of your letters are going to definitely make it stand out, and it's going to be a cohesive alphabet. The little details are things that people probably won't be able to pick out or really notice that they're there, but because you noticed them and you found them, it's going to make all the difference. As you can see with this S that I'm about to do, there are just some letters that you can't quite figure out how they would possibly match your alphabet. That's okay. Keep lettering them. You might have to do a whole page of just that one letter to try and figure out how to make it fit with the rest of your alphabet. Don't worry about it. Don't give up. You'll get there. I'm only showing you the lowercase alphabet here, but you could also try doing the uppercase alphabet to match, or just keep it basic and work on the lowercase for now. We only have one more day in this email course. I hope you've been able to commit to your 15 minutes of practice a day, continuing that tonight to be ready for tomorrow, the final step. If you'd like to share your practice on Instagram, use the hashtag #ConfidentLetteringStyle. And if you found this helpful, you can help me by sharing this with a friend, giving it a thumbs up, and commenting below what you've been learning this week or any questions that you have. Thanks for sticking around, and I will see you tomorrow.